everyone, this is Teacher Diane. Thanks for checking out. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Now, it is a great time to talk about the application of a percent. We will focus on how are we going to find the discount and the sale price of an item. Are you ready? That's good. Let me first give you an illustration. Let us assume that we are in a bag store and we found this bag. This bag is on sale. It is worth 1,200 pesos and is marked 50% off. The questions to answer are, first, what is the amount of a discount? And second, how much is the sale price? Altogether, let us find the answers for these questions. First one, let us find the discount. In finding the discount, we use this formula. P is equal to R times B. Notice down, okay? The formula in finding the discount is P equals R times B. This is where P stands for the discount. R stands for the rate of discount and B stands for the marked price. P for discount, R for the rate of discount, and B for the marked price. Did you get it? All right, let us identify the numbers. P is the one that we will be looking for, and R, or the rate of discount, is 50%. Since we are about to multiply the rate of discount by the marked price, we should first convert the percent to decimal. In converting a percent to its decimal form, we first cancel its percent sign. And then, we will move the decimal point twice to the left. This one is a whole number, so its decimal point is located at the end. From here, we will move twice. 1, 2. So the decimal point will now be here. And since there is no number in front of the decimal point, we will put in the 0. So 50% becomes 0.50. Now that we're done in identifying the rate of discount, let us proceed to the marked price. It is given that the bag is worth 1,200 pesos. This one is the original price of the bag. Using the formula P is equal to R times B, let us find the amount of discount for this bag. P is equal to 0.50 or 50 hundreds times 1,200 pesos. 50 hundreds or 0.50 is our rate of discount and 1,200 pesos is our marked price. We multiply decimal numbers the same way we multiply whole numbers. In this case, we will multiply 1,200 by 50 hundreds. Zero property of multiplication. Any number that we will multiply by 0, the answer is 0. So 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. And 0 times 1 is 0. Next number, 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. And 5 times 2 is 10. Carry 1. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Let us add them out. Bring down 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. And bring down 6. You see, we multiply decimal numbers the same way we multiply whole numbers. It's just that here we have to count the decimal numbers. The decimal numbers are the numbers after the decimal point. Our decimal point is this one. And the number after this decimal point is 50. So we have 1, 2. Thus, we have to move the decimal point of our product twice. 1, 2. So the decimal point will now be here. The answer is 600. Meaning, 600 pesos is the amount to be discounted for the bag. Remember that the discount is the reduction of the marked price. Let us now find the sale price. In finding the sale price, we use this formula. NP equals MP minus P. Again, the formula in finding the sale price is NP equals MP minus P. This is where NP stands for the net price or sale price. MP stands for the marked price or the original price. And P is for discount. NP for net price, MP for the marked price, and P stands for the discount. Did you get it? All right. Let us now identify the numbers. NP or the net price is the one that we will be looking for. In identifying the marked price, we have to get the original price. MP is 1,200 pesos. And the discount is the one that we've sold earlier. This is 600 pesos. Using the formula NP equals MP minus P, let us find the sale price. NP equals 1,200 pesos, our marked price, minus 600 pesos, our amount of a discount. In subtracting 600 pesos from 1,200 pesos, we'll get 600 pesos. Meaning, 600 pesos is the amount to be paid for the bag. One more thing to remember, net price or sale price is the amount to be paid after deducting the discount from the marked price. Were you able to get it? That's good. Let me now give you one more example. This car is on sale. It is marked 12% off and it is worth 860,000 pesos. First question, what is the amount of discount? Second, how much is the sale price? For the first one, let us find the discount with the formula P is equal to R times B. The discount is the one that we will be looking for. The rate of discount is 12%. Again, since we will multiply the rate of discount by the marked price, we should convert this percent to its decimal form. And in converting a percent to its decimal form, we first cancel its percent sign. And then we move the decimal point twice to the left. It is again a whole number, so the decimal point is located at the end of it. Okay? So let us move twice to the left. 1, 2. So the decimal point will now be here. And there is no number in front of the decimal point. So we will put in 0. So 12% becomes 0.12 or 12 hundredths. Now that we're done in identifying the rate of discount, let us proceed to the marked price. It is given that the car is worth 860,000 pesos. The marked price is the original price of the car. Let us now solve for the discount. P is equal to R times V. P is equal to 0.12 or 12 hundredths, our rate of discount, times 860,000 pesos, our marked price. Let us multiply the rate of discount by the marked price. 860,000 times 12. Again, we multiply decimal numbers the same way we multiply whole numbers. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. And then 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 8 is 16 plus 1, 17. Let us proceed to the next number, which is 1. 1 times 0 is 0. And then 0. 0, 0, 0. And then one more 0. 1 times 6 is 6. And then 1 times 8 is 8. Let us add them out. Bring down 0, 0, 0. And then zeros here. 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 6 is 13. 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 1, we have 10. And then we will count the decimal numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 digits after the decimal points. So we have to move the decimal point of our product 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. So the answer is 103,200 pesos. 103,200 pesos is the amount to be discounted for the car. Next is to look for the sale price. With the formula NP is equal to MP minus P. NP or net price is the one that we will be looking for. NP or the market price is 860,000 pesos, and the one that we've solved earlier, the discount, is 103,200 pesos. We will simply subtract them out. We will subtract 103,200 pesos from 860,000 pesos. 0 minus 0 is 0. So let us just copy zeros here. 0 minus 2 cannot be. It is beside another 0, and this has no value. So it has to borrow from 6. 6 becomes 5, and this becomes 10. But then, this number will borrow from this one. So this will now be 9, and this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 3 is 6. 5 minus 0 is 5. And 8 minus 1 is 7. Do not forget to locate the decimal point. Okay, they should be aligned. The answer is 756,800 pesos. 756,800 pesos is the amount to be paid for the car. Were you able to get it? All right. Now it's time to practice. Let us check if you truly got it all. So remember the formulas that we use in finding the discount and in finding the sale price. Here we have 3 word problems. And in each word problem, we have to find the amount of discount and the amount of sale price of each given item. Are you now ready? Okay, let us start with this item. In a shoe store, a pair of shoes worth 2,500 pesos is marked 10% off. What is the discount and sale price of the pair of shoes? I'll give you 1 minute to solve for the discount. Your timer starts now. Twenty seconds. Five. Time's up. Let us check if you got it right. The formula in finding the discount is P equals R times B. P is equal to 0.10 or 10 hundredths times 2,500 pesos. 0.10 or 10 hundredths is the rate of discount, and 2,500 is the marked price. 10% was converted to its decimal form. That is why we used 0.10 as our rate of discount. In multiplying 0.10 by 2,500 pesos, we will get, very good, 250 pesos, meaning 250 pesos is the amount to be discounted for the pair of shoes. Let us now look for the sale price of the pair of shoes. Another minute will be given to you to solve for this one. Your timer starts now. Thirty seconds. Three. Time's up. Let us check your answer. The formula that we use in finding the sale price of an item is NP equals MP minus P. It is given that the marked price is 2,500 pesos and the discount that we've solved earlier is 250 pesos. And subtracting 250 pesos, our discount, from the marked price, which is 2,500 pesos, we will get, that's correct, 2,250 pesos, meaning 2,250 pesos is the amount to be paid for the pair of shoes. In a department store, a dress worth 920 pesos is marked 35% off. What is the discount and sale price of the dress? Let us first solve for the discount. 1 minute for you to solve this out. Your timer starts now. Thirty seconds. Ten. Time's up. Let us check if you got it right. With the formula P equals R times B, let us solve for the discount. 0.35 times 920 pesos. 35% becomes 3,500 because we have to convert this percent to its decimal form. 0.35 is our rate of discount and 920 pesos is our marked price. In multiplying the rate of discount by this marked price, we will get, amazing, 322 pesos, meaning 322 pesos is the amount to be discounted for the dress. Now it's time to solve for the sale price. Here is your minute. Your timer starts now. 30 seconds. Three. All right. Let us now check your answer. Our formula for sale price is NP equals MP minus P. Our marked price is 920 pesos and the discount is 320 pesos. For us to be able to get the sale price, we have to subtract the discount from the marked price. So 322 pesos will be subtracted from 920 pesos. And there we will get exactly 598 pesos, meaning 598 pesos is the amount to be paid for the dress. Last word problem. In a bookstore, a set of books worth 4,250 pesos is marked 5% off. What is the discount and the sale price of the set of books? First, look for the discount. 1 minute for this one. Your timer starts now. Thirty seconds. Time's up. Let us check if you got it right. Let us use the formula P equals R times B. 0.05 is our rate of discount because of 5% was converted to its decimal form. 4,250 is our marked price because this is the original price. In multiplying 0.05 by 4,250 pesos, we will get precisely 212 pesos and 50 centavos, meaning 212 pesos and 50 centavos is the amount to be discounted for the set of books. How about the sale price? So for this one, within 1 minute. Your timer starts now. Thirty seconds. Time's up. Let us check your answer. The formula in finding the sale price is NP equals MP minus P. Let us look for the net price or the sale price. The original price or the marked price of the set of books is 4,250 pesos. And the discount that we've sold earlier is 212 pesos and 50 centavos. For us to be able to get the sale price, we have to subtract the discount from the marked price. And in subtracting 212 pesos and 50 centavos from 4,250 pesos, we will get, that's correct, 4,037 pesos and 50 centavos. Meaning, 4,037 pesos and 50 centavos is the amount to be paid for the set of books. You all did a very, very good job. To sum it all up, today we talked about application of percent and we focused on finding the discount and the sale price of an item. We talked about the use of the formulas in discount and sale price. For discount, we have P equals R times B, wherein P stands for the discount, R stands for the rate of discount, and B stands for the marked price. And in finding the sale price, we use this formula. NP equals MP minus P. NP stands for the net price or sale price, MP stands for the marked price, and P stands for the discount. Don't forget that in multiplying the rate of discount by the marked price, we have to first convert the percent to its decimal form. Were you able to get it? That's great. That's all for today, class. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. See you in my next videos. Bye!